Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge. This is Swapnil, and in this video I will explain you about how you can upload your own data in a Databricks. Let's say these are the sample data that I have already shown you. These are the different databases, sample databases for your practices purpose. Let's say if you want to let's say if you want to upload your own data so that you can query. Let's say if you download it from somewhere and you want to practice on that, not from the sample databases, then what you have to do is you have to just open this SQL editor. Okay, I will just minimize this so that you can see clearly. Now if I want to upload in a sample, then what I will do is I will click over here. Okay, I will click on the sample, click on a plus icon, add data. Okay, now select the first option called create or modify a table. Then from here you have to just click on this browser, and it will support CSV Excel files. Okay, so I have CSV file which I have downloaded from ChatGPT. It has a shopkeeper data, so I'll click on open, and it has near about 217 KB. So it will automatically find out the headers and all these things because it's in a CSV format, right? And if you wish to change anything, then you can do changes from here. I don't want to make any changes. I just check it's properly or not, and then what I will do is I will say again, you have option called which workspace you want to select. So I think because this is from the sample only, and click on a default, create a new table. Okay, I don't want to override, and just click on create. It depends upon the size, and because we have only 217 KB, right? So it will take less time. So yeah, let's wait for that. Okay, our data is uploaded. Now you have to click on a SQL editor. Okay, and let's see, our data will be available under, I think, system, not in a system workspace. There is a default one section, and from here you can explore our data. Now again the same, if you don't want to type, just type the copy the path and just remove this and just add select star from. Okay, okay, the spelling is incorrect. Select star from workspace default sample shopkeeper data to the, this is the table name. Okay, it's kind of a weird, but yeah, please understand. And it's not available now in a sample, it's available in a workspace folder, workspace.default. Okay, let's try to run this. Wow, okay, it's run successfully. It's showing first 1000 records, and from here again you can download all this thing. But if you want to see what exactly the count is, count, okay, and if I run this, it has 2000 records. Okay, and this is how you can upload your data, and you can do a practice by using some queries in a Databricks. Pretty easy, right? So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.